Riding on the highway to hell. Imagine a world where the familiar hum of a dispatch rider's motorcycle is not just a harbinger of convenience, but a death knell for those who dare to indulge. Welcome to the dark underbelly of Nigeria's dispatch rider network, where hard drugs are just a delivery away and the consequences are deadly. In Nigeria, the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency (NDLEA) is responsible for enforcing laws related to drug trafficking and abuse. The NDLEA Act prohibits the possession, sale, and transportation of illegal drugs, including cannabis, cocaine, heroin, and methamphetamine. Courier drivers who convey these substances, knowingly or unknowingly, risk facing severe legal consequences. Knowing conveyance. If a courier driver is found to have knowingly conveyed illegal drugs, they can be charged with drug trafficking under Section 11 of the NDLEA Act. The penalties for this offense are severe. 1. Imprisonment for a term of not less than 15 years and not more than 25 years. 2. A fine of not less than $1 million and not more than $10 million. 3. Forfeiture of the vehicle used in conveying the drugs. 4. Confiscation of any assets or property acquired with the proceeds of the drug trade. And knowing conveyance. If a courier driver is found to have unknowingly conveyed illegal drugs, they may still face legal consequences, albeit less severe. Under Section 12 of the NDLEA Act, a person who unknowingly conveys illegal drugs can be charged with aiding and abetting drug trafficking. The penalties for this offense are: 1. Imprisonment for a term of not less than 5 years and not more than 10 years. 2. A fine of not less than $500,000 and not more than $1 million. 3. Forfeiture of the vehicle used in conveying the drugs. Now, let's examine the options available for any courier upon arrest and prosecution. If a courier driver is arrested and charged with conveying illegal drugs, they have several options available to them. A. Plea bargain. The driver may negotiate a plea bargain with the prosecution, where they plead guilty to a lesser offense in exchange for a reduced sentence. B. Defense of lack of knowledge. If the driver can prove that they did not know the contents of the package, they may be able to raise a defense of lack of knowledge. C. Cooperation with authorities. If the driver cooperates with the authorities and provides information that leads to the arrest and prosecution of the actual drug traffickers, they may be able to negotiate a reduced sentence or even immunity from prosecution. D. Legal representation. It is essential for the driver to seek legal representation from a qualified lawyer who can advise them on the best course of action and represent them in court. So, the next time you're on the road, remember that the package you're carrying could be a ticking time bomb of illicit drugs. The consequences of conveying illegal drugs in Nigeria are too severe to ignore. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay subscribed to this channel.